How to customize invoice templates in QuickBooks Online. First, access custom form styles. Click the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Under the Your Company section, select Custom Form Styles, and then click on New Style and choose Invoice. In the Design tab, name your template, upload your company logo, choose fonts, colors, and layout that match your brand, and then customize the content. Switch to the Content tab, edit the header, table, and footer sections, add or remove fields like invoice number, date, and terms, include custom messages or notes as needed. Go to the Emails tab, personalize the subject line and message body that accompanies your invoices. Save and apply the template. Click Done to save your custom template. When creating a new invoice, select your custom template from the Customize drop-down menu. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.